Have you ever had a bad day? You're talking on the phone and there's an old lady. She's really mean and rude to you, and you feel like punching an old lady through the phone. Well, me neither. I've never felt that way, but sometimes you get mad and you just want to decompress for the day. It's really frustrating and you're just like mad. Something I like to do when I get mad is learn something new. So today we're gonna be looking at how to make an origami fox, like this one. Ah! The only problem, I don't have a lot of fingers. I just have these hooves. So let's make some origami. Step 1, buy origami paper. I got this origami paper at Hobby Lobby, and it comes with so many colors. It's like a lot. So first we got to get this open. You know, they don't really make origami paper very hoof friendly. I think they should fix that. There might be another deer out there trying to make origami. All right, got some paper. First step, which is like, I feel like the same first step for most origami for some reason, is to fold it in half across the diagonal line. You can do this, Ike. You are a reindeer. You were born for this. No, you weren't. This is not what reindeer are born to do. Gotta have a plan for this. Gotta grab it. You gotta grab it, and I can do this. I am a deer. I was in the reindeer games once. I got 5th place, very middle of the road for the reindeer games. But have you even played the reindeer games? You know, the one they talk about in that Christmas song? Okay, perfect. Look at that effortless fold. Wow. Now we're gonna open it back up. We're gonna do another fold across the other diagonal. You know, the trick to origami is you gotta believe in yourself, and you will get the fold. See, another perfect fold. Definitely no offset creases. Apparently my antlers keep bumping my camera. I'm sorry. I hope you're following along, by the way. If you don't have origami paper, you can use a napkin, or you could cut a piece of paper. Get creative. Origami is all about creativity. Take that from a true origami professional like me. Okay, now that we've done that, we have to go ahead and do this little clamshell-y thing. Fold these guys like so. Yeah. So you've got this thing, right? And then you're gonna fold this bad boy in half. Boom. And I hope yours looks better than mine, because I hope you have more than 2 fingers, parents. Here's where it gets really difficult. Basically, we need to do a little fold action, and we need to like split one of the middle ones to make like a cool little shape. And then once we do that, we'll be like close to done. But getting that done with these hooves is going to be really, really hard. Take this one and you fold this one like that. And then this one, you gotta like open it up. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Santa Claus. This is gonna be hard. Basically, you take the middle one and like open it up like that, sorta. And we're gonna push down on it to make like a little rhombus thing. So when you open it up, it should look something sorta like that. And then we'll push down on it like that. So now you can kind of see the fox. That's like the face of the fox. And then we can just kind of smush that down. Like that, just smush it, just fold it, because your big hooves are too big. We're almost done. I promise, we're almost done. We gotta make a tail, and we're gonna do that by folding this little corner here. We're gonna fold that this way, and it's gonna wrap around. And once we do that, it'll stand on its own. All right, there we go. So it just got folded. So you just want it to be like a flat little fold to kind of line up there. And then you can stand it up. If you can pick it up, there you go. Yeah, no, yeah. Ah, no, no. Yeah, I did it. First time. All right, you know what the last step is for your origami fox? Sharpie. We're gonna use Sharpie, baby. And we're gonna go ahead and draw on some facial features. I'm thinking we're gonna do a straight up ooh-woo on the fox and give it some little markings. And you don't have to use Sharpie. I just like Sharpie. And ta-da! Hooray! It's done! Look at my neat handwriting. It's pretty good for a hoof, isn't it? And once you make one, they're so easy you can make a bunch of them. Here's a bunch of the other ones I made. I'm building an army right now. Reynard wants a fox army, so we're making a whole bunch of foxes. There's a different one you can make too. I can't do it right now because it's not very hoof friendly, but you can get a little mouth going. Make him like talk like that. Like a fox. Foxes always make such weird noises. My hoofs are really tired, especially because that was hard. Because look at these big things. I don't even know, I can open doors. It's like the best thing I can do with these. I might be able to drive, but deer aren't legally allowed to drive because we keep getting distracted by the headlights. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and have fun making some origami today. Bye! Ah! Jeez. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? See, this is what happens when you have a deer set up everything. Stop that, you little jerk. Stop moving! Ah!